Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So today we will see the project which is related to uh, combine the voice translation with the Streamlit as well as we use the Wordcloud application. Okay, so here I wrote the code. Okay, by using the ChatGPT 5, of course it is, and also we can see the front end, how does it look like, and how this translation will work. And I use some functions to read the text aloud as well as to generate the word cloud. Okay, so here it is to how this functionality is word cloud, and the studio st.audio will work. So we will see and how we have to pass the input as a text. Okay, so how this API, the translation API, it will integrate and translate that text to the audio file. Okay, so here it is, which I wrote the code, and let me go ahead and run this. Here we go. It will work slowly, but let me explain how does it will work. When the user gives the input, and we will get the list of languages, so we can select any one of the language, and we will get one button which is it will read the loud whatever the sentence we have given. Okay, so we have to select the input paragraph. Here it is, and let me select one paragraph. Here this, and I'll paste it here. So let me just click on enter, and I'll choose the language here. Let me just select the English language, and here you can see the left side, the word cloud, our image is already appeared. And so here everything, like everywhere, try and accept in our code. So what it will does actually, so here try and accept, how does it work? So it means the exception handling, and here we go, it is like very simple translate. And so let me just open my browser, and I have selected the English language. So let me hit this read aloud, and it will open the another file, audio file. So it's been taking some time, but it will work. So this is how it will work if I select any other language apart from this, which I don't even know. All these are the languages. And do we have a Hindi? Yes. I guess we don't have. No, here we don't have any other language. So let me just select anything. Or uh, do we have any language related to? No, we don't have anything our Indian related language except the English, but no problem. So let me just select whatever the language is. Telugu is there. No, it's not there. Okay, so let it be. So whatever the language we select, and we just hit on the read aloud option, it will generate the word cloud image as well as it will translate and open the MP3 file, and it will read it loud. So this is how. I hope it is presentation was useful, and I'll just come up with the another project which is very helpful to us. Till then, thank you. Bye. Take care.